So as a full-time undergrad student, you are required to have health insurance coverage. Here at Sage, we have a opt-out process, so everyone will have a charge on their bill in the fall semester for the year for health insurance. However, if you have your own coverage, you can complete this online waiver to remove the charge. You're going to select Russell Sage College from the drop-down at the website mystudentmedical.com. On the right-hand side, you're going to click Submit Waiver, and then fill out the waiver with the information for the insurance you do have. Once you've submitted the waiver, please wait a day or so and then double check to see that you see the credit from the waiver on your student bill. Again, the website to waive is mystudentmedical.com, and you have until September 10th to waive the health insurance.